to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transplant willow. Sadly, I've lost a lot of the footage because my camera broke. A brand new camera, and it just stopped working, and I'm sort of in a bit of a pickle at the moment with Argos because I paid for 3 years, accidental damage, the whole works, and they say it's not their responsibility and to get in touch with the company who made it, but the company who made it say that, etc. So it's a bit of a pain in the bum. Anyway, so I lost a lot of footage of the beginning of it, but I think I've made up for it partway through. I think I started doing it on another camera, so it will be a bit of a mismatch of camera work and so on, but hopefully there's enough there that I can reconstruct it in a good enough sort of fashion so you understand. Anyway, let's get on. Where's she gone? Oh my goodness.
It's a bell. I don't know where the actual thing is. Okay, there.
Right, this is all of the stuff we've got. So we're going to sort them into size order first. Right, okay, they're in rough size order, not exact. It doesn't really matter, we're just doing that for our benefit. And next thing I want to do now is turn them all up the right way so that the actual leaves would have been coming out this way. You don't want to try and put them in water this way, so that way. Right, there they are, all in size order. Now we need to fill up a few buckets. I'm going to do 3 buckets just for the 3 different sizes, but it doesn't matter. I'm literally just doing that because I wouldn't be able to fit them all in one bucket. Just to reiterate, if you have a look on them, they are very easy to see which way up they go. These are pointing to the top. Right, and like I said, we just want to dump them in the water. We've got about 2 inches of water in there. And I'm just going to get the small ones, possibly leave half of them out actually, for that one. And plonk them in the water. Give them a little wiggle, make sure they're all in the water. Yep. Okay, next lot.
I'm professional at this stuff.
Totes profesh, mate.
Can I do the big ones?
Yeah. Okay, they're all in. Okay, hang on. We bring that over here. Oh, we've left a little thing on that. There we go. Right, okay, if you put them in.
I think there's too many.
Put a couple in at a time if you can't do them all. No?
I can do it. I'm strong. I've got my hair on in it then.
Perfect. Just make sure they're all in.
Yeah.
Okay, now we can just leave them. That's literally it.
Till tomorrow.
Well, no, till a couple of weeks now. Right, and here it is. All done and dusted. Let's get one out. There you go. Oops. There you go. And all you need to do now is plant them like usual. And some won't have rooted, but the majority should have. So that one's a bit pathetic, but you know, the majority should have quite a decent root system on them. Just a case of now planting them and they will grow, and you can do this all over again as many times as you need to. Okay, there you are, and one thing I've noticed from doing this many times in the past is you can pretty much get away with doing this at any time of the year. They always say to do it at certain times. I've done it all year round and I've never had a problem. So, you know, try it and see what happens. You know, you'll get more success certain times of the year, but basically 99.9% of the time there will be roots that grow, and that's it, you know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next week.